Halo, saya Roland Adam, Principal of Good Life Interiors Indonesia. My design is still in progress. There is no stop in the evolution, especially in the design world. Kita masih berkembang dan mengikuti zaman. Otherwise, if you don't do that, we stuck on one design, which is in the design world, we need to always progress and berkembang. Some designers, we don't talk about the which designers, but they like to put the 100% of their own design. But for me, I like to make a interview, know the clients better first, and then we'll see from there what they like, Usually client, they don't have idea about what they like. That's why they hire us. But for me, I would like them also to tell me, what they like gitu loh. Dan biasanya itu kita melakukan interview sampai ketahuan sekali mereka sebenarnya sukanya apa. Usually I just give a very simple questions, hotel yang disukain seperti apa sih? Gitu loh. Negara yang suka dikunjungin tuh yang mana? What is memorable ada memorable rumah yang mereka tinggal sebelumnya, atau mereka ada suka sesuatu yang mereka pikir, oh saya nggak akan bisa bikin rumah seperti ini, tapi mereka punya ada impian, dreams. I think I'm helping them, to bring out what they like. Then I design it, and then refine it, and then bisa kerjasama dengan baik. That is my philosophy. I'm Asian, I'm Indonesian, I think our culture is very strong. And then what is the context between the culture with my interior design? The cultures, you don't have to masukin rumah daerah, batik, atau things like that. No, you can also follow the philosophy of one culture. What I mean is the philosophy like I'm designing a grandma, a daughter, and a granddaughter in one compound. It's only in Asia, that one family live together in one compound. Second example, makan bersama. Usually it's only in Indonesia, they like, setiap minggu kita makan bersama. That is very nice, that you don't lose contact with your family. So when you're designing something for the dining room, you can think about expanding table, that you can put all the family together, even though it's only once a week or once every 2 weeks or once a month. The philosophy of the culture is very important too. Every project is challenging. When people think that the big project is more challenging than the small project, is totally wrong. When you have a limited budget, when you have a limited space, it's more challenging, to make it very nice. That is what I mean by challenging. Challenging is to make the impossible happen, to make a small room or small studio looks big, comfortable, cozy, and again, most of it, the clients have to like it. Whether it's a small office, whether it's a huge office, both are really challenging.